Hi, my name is Sankho and I just graduated like कुछ ही महीनों पहले I graduated from my BTech from IIT Hyderabad and मेरा 4 साल का जो कॉलेज लाइफ था ना मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें ट्राई की है and some have worked out really well, some did not work out and मेरे को obviously बहुत सारे मतलब achievements भी हैं जो मैंने करे हैं कॉलेज में, बहुत सारे regrets भी हैं and things that I did not do, things that I wish I did not do. तो ये सारी बहुत सारी चीज़ें लेके ना अभी in the hindsight I can look back and talk like if I had my college life once again, if I could start over once again, what are the things I'm gonna do differently? There are gonna be things जो मैं exactly जैसे किया हुआ वैसे ही करता. There are gonna be things जो मैं शायद नहीं करता. There are gonna be things जो शायद मैं differently करता या फिर और पहले चालू करता. So today we're going to talk about that so that in your college life, if you're starting out with college, you can focus and you can prioritize the things that are actually important, not just things that seem important or the things that other people are talking about. Actually what things are important if you want to have a good college life. So first things that I would not change is that I have read a lot of books in college in different things, fiction, non-fiction, and in non-fiction में finance, psychology and everything. मैंने बहुत कुछ पढ़ा है basically and I would not change that. I think I have got a lot more perspective, a lot more information about how the industry works, how the stock market works, how psychology, how the human physical nature works and all those things. So I will definitely keep reading a lot of books. One thing I'll do differently is that I will try public speaking or at least speaking in front of a couple of people a lot earlier. मैं पहला पब्लिक स्पीक कहाँ देने गया था? मैं गया था IIT दिल्ली में जहाँ पे I was called for a workshop and I gave a speech in front of I took my workshop in front of 80-90 people and that was really nerve-wracking to start with, but I think it's a very important skill to persuade other people, to convince them into something and basically give them a good time when you're on stage. So that is a really important skill I feel like, and that is something that I would have started doing a lot earlier in college. I would have had to force myself, but I would have definitely done it. Number 3 comes a little bit about passive income कि मैंने college में वो होता है ना कि जब तुम start करते हो about making money, you see all these different tricks, different techniques, different avenues of making money. And तुम एक पे टाइम थोड़ा देते हो, then you find out okay इस पे बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा है, you switch to that one. So I had done that as well. I did not leave YouTube because I was in love with making videos, but what I would do is that I would focus on one of those avenues and put 100% of my efforts into one particular avenue, and I can guarantee putting 20% effort in 5 different avenues is worse than putting your 100% in one avenue, especially when you're starting out. After you have built your income sources for 2-3 years, they are sort of self-sustainable, and then you can focus on building some other avenue like I do, like I am doing right now. And other than that, one thing that was really life-changing for me in college, and that was gym and physical fitness. That is something I did not take care of my body at all during the first 2 years. I was not eating enough, I was very skinny. But in 3rd year I started going to the gym, and gym does a lot of things. It uplifts your mood, it gives you energy throughout the day, and you get into better eating habits because if you're not eating well, you can't really do well in gym, and also better sleeping habits because to do well in gym you have to sleep well as well. So those are the things that one particular habit of going to the gym compounds onto your whole life, and that is definitely something that I am doing right now. I go to the gym at least 5 times a week, and other than that I will start gym from the very first month of college if I could. And the last one is that I would network a lot more with people. In college I was sort of in the mindset कि यार मैं कर लूँगा खुद से, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, I will figure things out, I don't need others' help. But you will only go so far with that mentality. Very soon I realized towards the end of college and even out of college that only alone you can only go so far. If you have the network, if you have people to help you, if you have people to leverage, you can get so further than anywhere you will go if you are alone. So start networking, start talking to more people, start going into events that you don't know anything about. So basically push your limits, push your horizon and get out of your comfort zone. That is the single best advice I can give to any college student right now. And if you found this helpful, for more videos just like this, subscribe to the channel. More videos are coming really soon.